You know, faster is not always better. When accidents happen on your shop floor, the first instinct is to get the thing cleaned up as quickly as possible and get back into production. Of course it is. That's what makes sense. That's how you make money, in production, not standing around watching things broken and sitting on the floor. The problem with that is that many times an insurance policy may cover that loss, but you still get back to the insurance company's right to inspect. And when you go in and clean everything up and take everything out and remove parts and bring in a service company before that insurance carrier has their right to inspect, in many cases you're giving away your right to collect in a claim. Really important to take a lot of pictures. Really important that if you are bringing in a third-party service professional, that they find and clearly write down what the covered cause of loss is. Really, really important that the first phone call you make is to your insurance broker. And this is where it's incredibly important that your insurance broker really is an expert in your field of business, understanding manufacturing, understanding equipment breakdown claims, understanding how to negotiate within that arena with the claims adjusters. Because the balancing act is, how do we get the claim filed and get a claims adjuster to buy off on the claim without tying your hands and holding you from being able to get things cleaned up and get back into production.